Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be styling my hair using some products from Qhemet Biologics. So in the shower, I already applied the Moringa Tree Conditioning G and the Coconut and Green Tea Softening Serum. So the style that I'm doing today is a flat twist out, and I am starting off by using the Ethiopia Hydrate and Twist Butter, and I will be following that up with the Burdock Root Buttercream. Now the Moringa Tree Conditioning G is a light, creamy conditioner and a detangler that keeps moderately dry hair soft, supple, and manageable throughout the day without weighing it down. The Coconut and Green Tea Softening Serum is a rich, silky serum used to soften, smooth, and revitalize dry hair without weighing it down. The Ethiopia Hydrate and Twist Butter is a rich hydrating styling butter used to keep your locks, twists, and braids smooth and frizz-free and provide a soft, flexible definition to loose styles. This butter is so moisturizing, definitely one of my favorite products to date. And the last product that I'm using is the Burdock Root Buttercream. Now this luscious, rich formula keeps moderately dry and medium to low porosity hair soft and supple all day long with pure olive oil and organic burdock root, horsetail, and nettle extract. And this butter is so smooth going on, so moisturizing, definitely did amazing things for my low porosity hair. So again, I'm doing medium-sized flat twist, and I'll just be repeating these same steps throughout the rest of my hair. The moisture, shine, and definition that these products give is just extremely amazing. I'm loving these products from Qhemet Biologics. All right, so I need to know, are you team flat twist or team twist out? I am definitely normally a twist out kind of girl, but these flat twists have been giving me life lately. Let me know in the comments which team you're on. So now that my twists are completed, I'm going to sit under the dryer for about 15 to 20 minutes and then just let it air dry overnight. So here we are the next day, ready for the takedown. I'm going to add a little bit of the serum onto my hands just to coat my strands and to make sure that I prevent any unnecessary frizz while taking down my twist. So I'm going to carefully unravel each of the flat twists, trying to not disturb the curl pattern. And as you can see, the definition is on point. The one thing that I love about flat twists is that you don't have to do a lot of separating and manipulating because each curl is already individually separated while you're doing the flat twist. So of course I'm going in with my pick just for some extra volume and to make sure that I get rid of any parts that were created with me doing the flat twist. And here are my final results. Definitely loving the look. The last time I used these products, I did them with a perm rod set. So make sure that you check out that video. I'll link it up above. Thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And I will see you in my next video.